Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to step into the kitchen and make pork spare ribs. It's going to be lemongrass flavor. I'm going to show you very simple few ingredients to marinate the spare ribs in. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off with a Costco size back ribs. This is 9 pounds about. Rinse this off with my first set of water. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some salt in this. I'm gonna add in a little bit of vinegar as well. Just any kind of regular vinegar will do. And I'm gonna let that sit for about 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse it out and wash it again, and we should be done with washing the spare ribs. We got lemongrass, soy sauce, a bowl and a half of garlic, oyster sauce, fish sauce, and sugar. You can buy these lemongrass at the frozen section in the Asian grocery store. I'm gonna rinse this, and then we are gonna let it drain and dry. Then we're set to marinate it with. Okay, we got our spare ribs, we got our mix, and we're just gonna drizzle it all over. Make it all saucy. Toss this up. Lightly, salt it lightly. Mix this up again. If you like it a little salty, you can add a little more salt. So we're gonna let this sit for an hour, and then we're gonna toss it in the oven. still got plenty left. This is only about a third of what we marinated, so I'm just gonna let this sit in the fridge until later on. If we do want more spare ribs, then we're gonna get more. Okay, so we got our spare ribs. These are ready to go in the oven. It is really cold out right now. These do taste better on a charcoal grill, but because of the weather, it is raining, so we are just gonna use the oven to cook these. We got our final presentation of our lemongrass spare ribs. I hope that you enjoy our recipe for today. Please tune in for more recipes to come. We'll see you next time.